Oh bhai, look who's in the house! OnePlus all new Nord 3 5G. What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. OnePlus has finally unveiled their all new Nord 3 5G phone in India, and as you can see we have this phone right now, and along with this they've also sent us their brand new Nord Buds 2R as well. So we'll be checking out some interesting stuff in this video. So what exactly is new on the OnePlus Nord 3? Let me tell you, basically everything is new over here. There are like significant amount of improvements over their previous gen Nord 2T. You're getting a new and better display, faster CPU, much improved cameras as well, and also a bigger battery, guys. So I'm like very excited to unbox this brand new phone and talk about it in this video. Let's quickly get started with the unboxing. Unboxing OnePlus products is always like exciting because the brand keeps sending surprise packages like this. I mean, look at this. The phone came in this huge box packaging and just says Nord on the front. No idea what's inside this thing. Let's quickly unbox it. Okay, as soon as you open it, we have the brand new phone at the top over here and also some accessory. We have some letter from the president of OnePlus regarding all the main highlights and features. Very interesting. Oh, they also included like a customized Nord coaster, guys. So basically, whenever you have drinks, right, you place these coasters on the bottom to prevent any stain marks leaving on your table. Very interesting. I'll definitely use this in my office. Thank you, OnePlus, for this. Anyways, keeping that aside, this is what we've been waiting for, guys. Brand new OnePlus Nord 3 5G. Let's quickly unbox and check it out. By the way, phone comes in two color variants. We have the Tempest Grey Edition today in the house, and that to the top end variant 16 plus 256 GB edition, also available in 8 plus 128 GB. So as soon as you open it, you get some paperwork. Make sure to read that, plus some stickers as well, and you also get a free case as well. It's a silicone case in the similar grayish black sort of color, and very good quality, I would say. OnePlus branding as well, quite flexible and durable. Keeping that aside, boys, here's what you people have been waiting for: the all new Nord 3 5G in the hand. And as I've told you, this is the Tempest Grey edition, and boy, it looks beautiful. We'll just come back to the phone in a moment. In the package, you also get a 80-watt super VOOC charger included, plus a Type-C cable for the power adapter. Now let's have a closer look at the phone and talk about the design and the build quality. So as I've told you at the beginning, Nord 3 5G is available in two colors. You get Misty Green and also Tempest Grey. Tempest Grey actually has like a matte textured sort of look, but when you actually hold it in the hand, it has a velvety, silky, smooth finish at the backside. Talking about the features, lot have changed over here coming from their previous gen 2T. On the front side, you're getting a 6.74 inches 120Hz super fluid AMOLED display, plus a 16 megapixel selfie camera at the top. Also, if you can observe, phone comes with pre-applied screen guard from the factory. And talking about the protection, at the back you're getting Gorilla Glass 5, and on the front you're getting Dragon Tail Glass protection. So that's it about the front area. Here's how the side profile looks like. Again, flat sides on this model also. One great thing is finally OnePlus has brought back the alert slider on the Nord series. I really missed it, guys. And moving down, you have your power button, which comes with like a beautiful chamfered finish, and on the bottom you have the SIM card tray. It's a 5G phone. At the center you have a Type-C port, primary microphone is there, and also you're getting stereo speakers on the Nord 3 powered by Dolby Atmos. On the left side here is where you have the volume rocker, and that is pretty much it. Going to the top here, you have another secondary microphone, and IR blaster is also there to use it as your TV's remote, guys. Pretty cool, I would say. And here's how the back of the phone looks like. As I've told you, Tempest Grey has a matte textured sort of finish, but when you actually hold it in your hand, right, it is velvety, silky smooth. I love the feel over here, guys. Super smooth, and good thing is it doesn't even leave any fingerprints when you're using it, unlike the Misty Green edition, which has a glossy glass back panel. So coming to the top area here, you can actually take out two big circular rings featuring the triple camera setup. Primary one is a 50 megapixel camera that features Sony's IMX890 sensor with optical image stabilization. Below that you have an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and a 2 megapixel macro camera is also there, followed by dual LED flashlights also. So these were the basic specs of the phone and our complete overview on the design and build quality part. I'll just quickly set up the phone, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I've been using the OnePlus Nord 3 5G since the last couple of days, and there are so many things I'll be talking about in this video. Basically, I'll be sharing like my initial thoughts and feedback during my usage. Now, I wouldn't call it like an in-depth review because I still want to spend some time with this. So I'll be making like a two-part video, guys. This is gonna be like my initial impressions and feedback. Later, I'll be giving my in-depth review. So in this video, right, if you have any sort of questions or anything you want to know about this phone, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll definitely cover them in my review video which will be dropping later. So what I'll do is I'll quickly, put this fingerprint reader to a test. We are getting like an on-screen display fingerprint scanner, and yes, face unlock is also there. So let's quickly put that to a test. Okay. Hey, not bad. Nothing less expected from OnePlus, guys. It was doing a good job and unlocking the phone almost 90% of the time, that too quickly. And there you go, here's how the home screen on the new Nord 3 5G looks like. Now one thing you'll have to keep in mind is Nord 3 is probably the very first OnePlus phone to be running Oxygen OS 13.1, guys, their newest operating system. Let's just quickly head over to the settings and let me show you the software info about section and all of that. You can actually check out the whole specs of the phone over here, and as I've told you, it's available in two variants. You get like 8 plus 128GB variant and 16 plus 256GB edition. We have the top end edition, and here only you can even adjust the RAM Vita expansion as well from 4 to 12GB as per your requirement. And as I've told you, the operating system Android version is 13 out of the box, and you also have like a software update over here. I'll do this at a later part. Maybe I'll share my experience in my full review. Apart from that, dual band Wi-Fi support is there, and coming to the display settings, here you can adjust a lot of things like screen color mode, video color boost, bright video HDR mode, and also you can even adjust the screen refresh rate as well. You're getting three modes, guys: 60Hz for battery saving, 120Hz for full smooth experience, and an adaptive refresh rate is also there, which automatically sets the refresh rate from 40Hz to 120Hz depending on the scenario and application you're using. Anyways, that was about the operating system, and I don't need to talk about the UI and interface, right? Because I'm pretty sure you people know it's pretty much similar on all the OnePlus phones. So what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some video, just have a look at these small demos, and then we'll talk about the display and the sound quality on the Nord 3 5G.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss.
As I've told you, Nord 3 features a 6.74-inch 120Hz 1.5K resolution super fluid AMOLED display with a 10-bit panel on board, and there is nothing less you can expect over here, guys. Beautiful looking AMOLED display. I've played like variety of content on it: YouTube videos, web series on Amazon Prime, movies on Netflix, and I was like blown away with the experience, especially considering it's a mid-range Nord series phone. First of all, let's talk about the resolution. You're getting like an odd 1.5K resolution. I think it's around like 2772 into 1240. It's kind of a bit of weird resolution. I don't know why they couldn't go with like quad HD. Anyway, still good amount of detail, I would say. Crisp and clear text no matter what sort of content you're watching. And coming to the color reproduction and colors, basically it's got like an AMOLED panel, guys, that too a 10-bit panel that supports up to like 100% DCI-P3 color gamut range. So colors were just popping out on the display, guys. Color reproduction, accuracy, everything were like on point, and you'll enjoy watching content on this display, either it be movies, web series, or even YouTube videos. And apart from that, contrast, black levels, everything were on point, deep black levels, and viewing angles are also great thanks to that AMOLED panel. And if you talk about the brightness, right, it's got like a peak brightness of around 1450 nits. So no matter, even if you're using this phone in like bright sunlight outdoors also, nothing to worry about. So overall, now I was like super happy and satisfied with the display. And one more major thing is it's got like a very high 120Hz refresh rate, guys. That is something very new to the Nord series. Previous Nord 2T only had about like 90Hz. So coming from there, this is definitely making like a huge improvement. Everything just glides on the display, guys. Super smooth and interactive display. And pair that with a 1000Hz touch sampling rate, you can enjoy gaming over here. That is what I can say. We'll definitely come to the performance in a moment. Keeping that aside, let's talk about the audio as well. Nord 3 features stereo speakers. The top earpiece acts as one speaker and the bottom one is over here. So these give you like a great clarity and detail. Overall audio experience was like pretty good, and the audio output is also like loud and satisfactory. And not to forget, it's also like Dolby Atmos certified. So full on entertainment package on a mid-ranger phone. Anyways, moving on, let me tell you about the performance part as well. Nord 3 5G is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9000. So previous Nord 2T featured Dimensity 1300, and coming from Dimensity 1300 to 9000 is a big jump, guys. So Dimensity 9000 D9000 offers like neck to neck performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and compared to the previous gen, right, the CPU on this chipset is almost like 57-58% faster, and the GPU on board is also up to like 41-42% better performance than Dimensity 1300, guys. So you can definitely do like good gaming over here, not an issue. You can play games like Genshin Impact and even PUBG Battleground Mobile as well at HDR graphics, and that too with like extreme frame rate smoothly over here. Consistent 60 FPS I was getting during my testing, as you can see in this gameplay demo over here. Now again, this is not like a dedicated gaming review, right? So I won't be going in depth and talking about the thermals and long-term gaming sessions. Maybe we'll keep that for a separate video. If you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section down below. Alright, we are almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the cameras as well. I've told you, right, you're getting a triple camera setup over here, and primary one is a 50 megapixel camera featuring Sony's IMX890 sensor, and also you're getting like optical image stabilization and is capable of shooting 4K resolution videos at 60 FPS frame rate. The second one is an 8 megapixel wide angle camera, and the third one is a 2 megapixel macro. Now I did shoot a couple of pictures using this phone, and initial impressions, camera quality looks quite nice, I would say. Just have a look at these pictures, guys. I shot variety of things in my balcony, surrounding area. Just have a look at them and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. So that is pretty much it, our initial impressions and feedback on OnePlus all new Nord 3 5G phone. I'll be using this phone for the next 2 weeks, and after that I'll be giving my in-depth review where we'll be talking more about the performance, gaming performance as well. We'll check out the thermal results as well, and lastly talk about the camera quality and battery life also. Apart from these, if you people have any sort of questions or anything you want to ask about this model, let me know in the comment section down below. And finally, coming to the pricing details, I'm not 100% sure about the price because it was under embargo while making this video, but if I had to take a guess, it might cost somewhere around maybe like 30 or 32,000. I'll keep you guys posted on the exact pricing details once I get them. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got to learn a lot, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.